Gia, sit properly. Time to talk. What part of the house is it? Or is it a car room? It's garage. Sit properly. Say garage. Good. What part of the house is it? You sit properly. Okay, good. Again. What part of the house is it?
Garage.
Sit down lang. Sit properly lang.
I say garage.
You sit properly muna, hands quiet. Okay? Oh, what part of the house is it?
Garage.
Okay, good job. Next. What part of the... Ay, hands quiet ka. What part of the house is it?
Bedroom.
Very good. Next. Sit properly lang. What part of the house is it?
Bathroom.
What? Again. Nakasan mo? What part of the house?
Bathroom.
Okay, good job. It's back.